Hi, I'm Andy the Kenworth Guy. Thanks for coming by the channel today. Today we're going to take a look inside a 76-inch sleeper on a T680 cab. It's a high bunk. There's some things that I haven't shown in previous videos, so I want to focus on that, just kind of showing you how you can maximize your entire space in the cab. I have this truck sold to a good friend of mine at Nor Logistics, so thank you very much, Bent, for buying this truck, and let's go take a look at it. And before we go, I apologize, I have a bad cold, so I sound a little off today, so bear with me. Thanks, let's head outside. So we're just walking over to the truck here. It's kind of a miserable day. It's cold and wet and rainy, and I got a cold, so it's just lots of fun here. So this is one of our stock T680s. We have quite a few of these trucks on order. Lots of them coming in here over the next month or two. How we set them up is we have a 455 horsepower PACCAR engine, 1650 torque with a 12-speed PACCAR transmission. We have the Meritor 40,000-pound rear axle in them with the Kenworth AG400L suspension. They have Michelin X Multi-Energy D tires on the back, single frame rail. We got single ground exhaust on it. Right down here you can see ground exhaust, and then we also put on a factory installed heater for the an S-bar heater from the factory. Now we also order these trucks with the key fob. So with the key fob, it has this little button right here. So what that button does, when you push and hold it down, there is, I believe, a 70-foot range to the truck. So what you can do, you can do your pre-trip. So it basically turns all the clearance lights on. It toggles between high beam and low beam. So when you're doing your pre-trip, you can see what your lights are doing, and that feature is actually on the dash as well. But if you order the keyless entry, you get it right on here, and to turn it off, you just hold the button down and it shuts it off. So let's take a look inside the truck. There's some things I want to show you, so let's head in. All right, just gonna take my shoes off here. And I'm gonna turn the lights on inside here. And interior cab lights here. All right, so, okay, so what I wanna do is just kind of showcase some of the features that I haven't talked about before. I don't know why I've missed it in the past, but let me just set up the camera a little better here. So I'm just gonna drop down the upper bunk here, and I'm gonna put the camera right in here, and I think that's gonna give me 1 second here. I'll come right back. All right, so we're back now. I just wanted to change the angle so you got a little bit better view of the whole thing. So what I wanted to show you guys is how to get a 76-inch bunk sleeper with a little bit more room. So how does a 106-inch sleeper sound to you? That's essentially what you get with the 76-inch bunk, because you're not just getting the bunk portion of it as your living quarters, you get the cab part of it as your living quarters. So I'm just going to show you what I mean by that. So what you do is you drop down these guys right here, and you pull out the curtain, and same on this side here too. It's all brand new, so it's a little sticky here. Great demo. There we go. Now it's all the way around. So now what we've also done is we have a little magnetic strip right in here. So you can just put that magnet on and then it will hold that together nice and tight. It's a little cold in here right now, so if the cab is warm, it'll go together. There is a little snap here that you can put on there as well. And then now you have full utilization of the cab. But there's also another piece of it here too. So I've shown this in previous videos, but getting the passenger seat to swivel around, couple motions here, and there we have it. You have full access to a much larger cab, 106 inches from basically the dash to the back wall, so it gives you a lot more room. You got the swivel table right down here. So that's a little insight on how to make your 76-inch bunk into a 106-inch bunk, 106-inch living quarters. So thanks for coming by the channel today. It's a little different kind of video, but I just wanted to focus on the windshield curtain. So don't forget to put that on your next spec. And again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. You can find me on Facebook, Instagram. I'm on all different social media platforms. You can just hop on over to my channel. I'll just put a link right up here in the video. You can go and check it out and look at all the social media links that I have. So thanks again for stopping by, and as always, have the world's best day.